And in no time at all, they got the passengers home and all the holiday makers to their favourite places. The next day, the Fat Controller came to the shed. He spoke to Gordon. The Fat Controller was cross with him. "Gordon, you have said mean things to Roy. He's shown that he can be really useful and he does his job well. You owe him an apology." "I'm sorry, Roy." "That's okay, Gordon," he laughed. "Now, Gordon, next time we have a new engine on this railway, if you're going to be nasty to him, I'll let him pull your express and you can just stay in your shed for the whole day. How does that sound?" "No, thank you, sir." "So you're not going to be rude to any other engine?" "No." "Well, I'm glad we have an agreement." And Gordon was never rude to another engine ever again. Then the Fat Controller spoke to Roy. "Roy, I was very amazed with you, what you did with all those trucks. Roy, instead of pulling trucks, would you like to take coaches instead?" "Oh, yes, please, sir." So, Roy was happy to pull coaches. He was enjoying himself. Then, Roy puffed into the station. All the passengers were right on time. Then, Thomas arrived with Annie and Clarabelle. "Hello, Roy." "Hello, Thomas. How were the passengers?" "They were very good, thank you. The passengers had a lovely train ride." "Well, that's good." "Yes." "Well, Thomas, I'm going back to the shed now." "That's good. After all your hard work, I think you deserve a rest in the shed." "Thank you, Thomas." So, for now on, Roy was a credit to the railway. And he puffed home to the shed.